Hello and thank you so much for joining us again for this tutorial. In this tutorial, we are going to learn how to add Klarna to your Shopify store. So you notice that on your Shopify store, if you come to settings down on the left, and then you come to billing or payments. If you click on payments, you'll notice that this is where you have your payment method added. You notice here I have the PayPal added, and then that's all I have. I can also add a manual payment method. But in this case, we just want to add Klarna into Shopify. So to install Klarna, you'll come to settings here on the left hand side, and then you click on payments, and that will give you access to your payments. And you notice I currently have the PayPal there. So you can add the payment here. You click on add payment method, and then you search here at the top. You just search on Klarna. Here, you notice we have Klarna. You just click on that. And you'll notice now we have 4 providers for this payment method. And again, this will depend on your region. This may change. So we have the ping pong checkout, and the transaction fee is 0. And for all the 4 that are available for me are 0. And then other options here, you notice we have for the first one here for ping pong, we have plus 44 others. For Wali payments, we have plus 49. For advanced credit debit UCPay, we have plus 10. And then we have the UCPay that doesn't have any addition. So you can choose the one that you feel best fits your needs. So I'm going to select the first one here for ping pong checkout because it also has a good number here. For others, it has Discover, JCB, Diners Club, Rupee, Maestro, and 39 more. So you click on that ping pong checkout, and then so you'll come down here on account status, and you are currently not connected to ping pong checkout. You simply click on connect to install the app and set up your account. So click on connect here, and this will take you to your admin page where you are now required to connect ping pong to your account. And if you come down here, you can see all the details that are needed. So you just come to the top right corner and click on install app, and this will install ping pong checkout, and that is from Klarna. And now it will lead you to this page where you are linking your Shopify to ping pong checkout. So to complete this, you'll put your email here, and then the username, and then the password, and then you click on login. But you notice since I don't have an account here, what I can do is to register. So if you don't have an account, you come down here and click on register. And now you register down here for ping pong checkout. You put your name there, you put your email address, and then you put your cell phone number, and then you get a verification code, and then you get a standalone website type, and then you click on register now. And then you click on register now, and that will have installed your ping pong account. So back here, so once you get the verification code, you feed it here, and then you can choose the type here. Is it either standalone website or brand or SaaS platform or institution? So I'm going to select standalone website, then click on register now. And you notice now you have successfully registered. Please check your email to activate the account. So you'll go back to your email. And once you log into your email, you'll get the initial password and the login name. So you notice we have our details here. So you'll come back, you'll copy your details, then go back to ping pong. You notice the name here is admin. So click here, then it will take you here, then click on login. So you put the username here, admin, and then the password, and then the email address, and then you click on login now. And then you set up your login password. Now here, you now put your new password and click on confirm. and then you click on OK. And then now you'll click on trade in goods or virtual goods and services. Just click on any that describes you. And in case you find this page is on a different language, you can use Google Translate to translate it to the language that you understand, maybe English. So you click on confirm and then click on confirm again. And with that now, you have your ping pong checkout added. You notice we have unreplied chargeback and all the details here are added. And so with that, you have your Klarna added. And so if you now come to your payment method again, click on add payment method. Now type here Klarna and then check that one. You can now click on connect. And then you now put the details here. And then the password. And click on login. Now we are on our Shopify, logging into our Shopify Klarna account, logging into our Klarna within our Shopify store. And by clicking that, you can now select the website you want to connect to. You just click on add a website. And now you can add your trade website here, the store, the group, the independent website here. And then down here, you now click on Shopify. That is for independent website. You click on Shopify. So you click on Shopify here, link status. You can write linked, then to the website. You can put the website for your Shopify. And then you click on add website. And then you can now submit your identity verification materials, and then that will have added Klarna to your Shopify store. So once this process is successfully done, you simply come to points of sale here. You simply come to apps here, and you'll notice that you'll have your Klarna installed here, and you'll be able now to access everything from your Shopify store into your Klarna. So once you come to your apps, you'll notice now you'll have your Klarna Use Pay added here on your left hand side. And that is how you simply install or add Klarna into your Shopify store. I hope this has been helpful. Kindly like this video, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel.